Welcome to the Ford Electric Vehicle Manufacturing Center in Cologne, where history meets the future, where pioneering electric vehicles take off. Today, we will explore Ford's inspiring journey in creating a new era of mobility, where sustainability and dynamism go hand in hand. Imagine you are entering a completely different factory, where people and technology blend perfectly. This place is not only a place where electric cars are manufactured, but also a symbol of innovation, creativity, and commitment to a green future. Ford Cologne's Electric Vehicle Manufacturing Center is built on the foundation of the historic Ford factory in Cologne, Germany, established in 1930. Thanks to a huge investment of $2 billion US dollars, the factory has been completely transformed, becoming a symbol of the most advanced manufacturing technology in the car industry. First, we come to the body shop area. This is where each car's journey begins. Here, automated transport vehicles deliver raw materials and ready parts to workstations. More than 600 new robots perform welding, cutting, dusting, painting, and mounting tasks. Every operation takes place perfectly like a complex dance, ensuring precision, efficiency, and quality. The vehicle body and battery axle module move on separate lines before being coupled in the final assembly stage. The new AI system with cameras checks all electrical connections, while at the back end, scanners and experts perform final quality checks on all components and surfaces of the vehicle. The highlight of the center is the perfect combination of artificial intelligence and more than 600 self-learning robots. These smart machines work non-stop, ensuring precision, efficiency, and top quality in every step of production, from welding, cutting, dust cleaning, to coating. The factory's digital twin monitors the entire assembly process in real time, from the number of components at each workstation to tools and worker safety. The giant touchscreen displays all important information, helping to ensure the highest quality for each vehicle leaving the factory. Ford has also developed a special facility for corrosion protection, where the vehicle body is passed through a series of baths and rotated through an upside-down loop to ensure the coating is applied smoothly and evenly. Along with dust cleaning robots and a more efficient painting process, the facility delivers the best finishes ever for Ford vehicles. Ford has also developed a special base for corrosion protection. Here, the car body is passed through a series of baths, where protective coatings are meticulously applied layer by layer. What's special about this process is that the tire is rotated upside down to ensure that the coating is applied smoothly and evenly to the entire surface. After this process is complete, the dust cleaning robots will continue to work, removing every smallest dust particle, preparing for the painting process. The new painting process is designed to be more efficient, ensuring each vehicle has a perfect, durable, and beautiful paint job. Thanks to these innovations, This facility delivers the best finish ever for Ford vehicles. The vehicle body and battery axle module move along separate lines before they are joined together in the final assembly. A new AI system with cameras checks all the electrical connections, while at the last section, scanners and experts do a final quality check on all vehicle components and the surface. Ford Cologne Electric Vehicle Center. A special feature of the Ford Cologne Electric Vehicle Center is that the production process is intelligently designed, optimizing each step. The chassis and battery axle module are assembled on separate lines, then merged in the final assembly stage. This helps ensure high accuracy and efficiency in the production process. An advanced AI system with cameras is integrated into the production line, automatically checking all electrical connections. This is a breakthrough, helping to eliminate errors and ensure vehicle safety. In the final stage, specialized scanners and a team of experienced experts will check the overall quality of the vehicle. Every detail, from interior components to exterior surfaces, is thoroughly reviewed to ensure it meets Ford's highest quality standards. Ford Cologne Electric Vehicle Center is the perfect combination of artificial intelligence, smart robots, and skillful human hands. This combination creates a modern production system, ensuring absolute quality and precision for each electric vehicle produced. At the final stage of the process, the mobile AI system scans the entire vehicle body to compare with standard data, ensuring no errors have occurred. This is Ford's modern, sophisticated, and precise production process. Ford is leading the way in creating a sustainable future. The Cologne Electric Vehicle Manufacturing Center is one of Ford's most efficient assembly plants, with efforts to reduce emissions, water use, and energy consumption. The facility is powered entirely by renewable electricity and biomethane, contributing to Ford's goal of achieving carbon neutrality across all of Ford's European production by 2035. The all-electric Ford Explorer combines German engineering and American innovation, delivering a driving range of more than 600 kilometers on a single charge. With its fresh design and high-quality standards, this vehicle exemplifies Ford's commitment to a zero-emission, sustainable future.